Hi guys, I'm Hannah from Standard Electric, and today we're going to be talking about the solid-state relays from Schneider Electric. I didn't know anything about them. I thought these guys were going to be super boring, but they're actually really interesting. These solid-state relays aren't like regular relays. They have electrical components that turn them on and off, so there's no annoying clicking noises, there's almost no sound. So you have less moving parts, you have less wear and tear, so you get more peace of mind, and you don't get those annoying noises. These solid-state relays can also work in tons of really tough environments, from super humid spaces to tons of vibrations. They produce less heat and they use less energy. So not only do you have less wear and tear on the product themselves, you have less wear and tear on the products that are around them. So that's always a win-win. If you are interested, go to standardelectricsupply.com or contact your account manager today.